Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. By default, your iPhone's hotspot name matches your device name. If you prefer a more personalized hotspot label, it's easy to change. In this video, I will guide you through the process of renaming your iPhone's hotspot. Let's go. To begin, access your settings and navigate to the General Configuration page. Go to About and tap on Name. Enter the name you prefer and click Done to save the changes. Your hotspot will now be discoverable under the newly set name. To modify your hotspot password, return to the main settings dashboard and go to Cellular. Open the Personal Hotspot menu and access Wi-Fi password. Input your new password and click Done to save. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.